Module 1, Section 5, Objective 12. Multiply whole numbers using estimation and rounding. Okay, so now we've talked about estimating and rounding, and you could usually choose which method you want to use, but we're going to use exactly what they ask us to when they ask us. So in this particular case, we're going to use front-end rounding because that's what they ask. Okay, so round each number to the highest place value and multiply the rounded factors. And part of the reason for this is to use that trick that we learned with multiplying powers or multiples of 10, because then you can multiply the first numbers and then put the zeros afterwards. Okay, so I'm going to erase what they have and we'll get to it. Okay, so take a look at A, front-end rounding. So our first number, the 3, can't round at all. But now the, whoops, it's not equal, is it? I can't use that equal sign because it's not equal anymore. We're going to round it. Okay, so let's put a 3 times. Now we're rounding to the first place, so the 7 is going to round up. That makes the 471, 500. Okay, now this is equal. We're going to do 5 times 3 is 15, and then add these 2 zeros on the end because we dropped them and now we need to put them back. So 1,500 is your name. Your answer. Okay. B. We're going to round these. Now remember, you could use this little squiggly equal sign, but you can just leave it off. That's fine. Rounding to the first place of each number. So 52, the 2 is going to round down, so 52 becomes 50. And the 0 is going to round down, so the 804 becomes 800. Okay, so now 5 times 8 is 40. And we have 1 0 from the first number, 2 zeros from the second number, so we have 3 zeros in the answer, so it's 40,000. Okay, C. Front number in each of these, so we're going to look at the 3 and the 8 after it. 8 rounds up, so that's going to be 40,000 times the 3 after this 4 is going to round it